Hello, hi. Okay. First, sorry, because I already do the unboxing video, but I did not unmute the microphone, so we have to do again. But this time I already opened the packs. This the cake we will unboxing today is uh Tallgeese 2 special coating MG. It's a limited item. This fun and review. This the box arts. This name Tallgeese 2 special coating. The price around 100 ringgit Malaysia. I get lah, maybe more expensive lah. So this is based on Tallgeese 2 kits. So only certain part they change. So we'll use this manual Tallgeese 2, but some parts we refer to this manual. For example, for the body parts, the head part, the backpack and the gun, only certain part. Then it's a color guide if you want to paint, and this a sticker guide. They got a sticker, water slide the car and normal sticker like this. So water slide the car, and this sticker for the head, for the head and eyes. Okay, got the sticker. Then first we go to the manual first lah. This Tallgeese 2 manual. So info here is a runner. All part we will use for, except for some polycap lah. And start with the head, the body here, and the head part we can move the eye. No, things like moving the head back, and this one. No, there's the guide for this. You put below first and push to back, like a lock system lah. Then here the arms, left arm, right arm, left arm. In the body, complete the upper body, the legs. This info here, the posing. Okay, right leg, left leg, waist. I like the Tallgeese waist and leg. Very unique for me, because the side skirt can attach to the leg. Body assemble, backpack, final assemble, just attach the backpack. Then double gun, and shield, the beam saber handle part inside this back at this shield. Store this guide for sticker, water slide the car or sticker, and guide for the painting, and if you do the panel line, and guide for the pilot figure. That's all for the manual. So go runner first. We get a polycap here. This one the polycap, but certain maybe I got 1 or 2 or 3 polycap did not use. We not use. C1 is in the frame for legs, body, waist, shield. toes, I think this for the gun, and just like skirt here. Also runner E in the frame, Rather D also in the frame part. Got option for the finger, close hand, hold hand, open hand. Then the thumb here. This for backpack parts. In the frame, warna F. C2 also in the frame. And I1 in the frame for the backpack thruster. Then got a spring. I think this for weapons. And move runner for the armor. So this runner A got blue, yellow. The yellow is not special coating, just the blue. And this also not special, means these are like not shining lah. This is a clear part. So this runner A. Then we got B1 and B2. I think like this, like this. So it's a like a white, metallic white or pearl white, something like that. So they got for the lining, they got like silver here. Very interesting, but they got nut mark. We will show the nut mark lah. Then we cannot use a knife or sandpaper to properly remove the nut mark, because if we sand here and the special coating will be affected. Then B1 and B2 for the armor, and this is a G1 also for the armor blue, and it's a G2 for the white. Okay, and this H2, then the clear the part for the head and the pilot figure here. And lastly for H1, so the clear maybe show not much here, but probably because this part will be hidden, so I think it's okay lah. Okay, that's all for unboxing Tallgeese 2 MG special coating. We do a speed view and review. Okay, thank you, bye.